Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be doing a basic exterior cleaning of this car. Now, on my last video where I did like an interior cleaning, you guys seemed to like it. So I went ahead and did a exterior cleaning, and this is just your basic cleaning. This is not your like super detailed kind of clean. I did make a video in the past during the winter or after the winter season. It was called, I believe, spring cleaning my car, and it was the sport at the time where we just got off a trip from Pittsburgh and the car was like super dirty. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, go ahead. I'm gonna be probably putting it up here or down in the description, or you can just look at my videos because I do have a lot of videos on the channel. Anyways, that's not going to be like that video. This is just your basic cleaning and the products that I use. And again, I'm not a professional detailer, so feel free to share what you guys use on your cars. I mainly use Meguiar's, but recently I've been testing out different products to see how they are compared to Meguiar's. But yeah, let's go. Okay, so the pressure washer that I use is a Stanley 2150, and for the most part I use the yellow nozzle. That kind of spreads the pressure out. And since it's like fall, of course we're gonna have leaves on the floor, and it's pretty hard to keep the cars clean, especially with all the rain that we've been getting lately. And you can see how like the road is still, my driveway is still a little bit wet from last night's rain. And finally, I get to see a blue sky. It's been quite a while. It's been probably more than a week, probably 10 days. And I've been wanting to clean the car, but it looks clean for the most part. But there is still, some dirt on it. So yeah, today's video, we're gonna be cleaning. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I clean my car using a pressure washer. Now, if you want to see a video of me hand washing a car, be sure to give this video a like and comment down below if you guys want to see that. But for this video, this is just my way of cleaning my car. I'm not claiming to be a professional detailer. This is just my way of doing things. Anyways, let's get started. Before I begin cleaning, the first thing that I do is test spray, just so that I can make sure that the water is clean before spraying. Then I rinse the car off. The reason why you want to rinse the car off first is so that you can remove any loose dirt and soften up stains like bird poop or sap, etc. Also, by removing these things mentioned, we can avoid possibly scratching the car up. Next, I grab my wheel cleaner. I don't use a particular product, but basically any wheel cleaner will do. One thing to note is that when cleaning your wheels, you're going to be dealing with a strong chemical, so you don't want to leave this sitting in your wheel for too long. That's why you got to do one wheel at a time and never let it dry out. After you spray, leave the product on for less than a minute, then scrub your wheel. I'm using a small detail brush so I can get into the small areas like in between the lug nuts and my brake pads. And then of course, don't forget to rinse thoroughly. Now that the wheels are done, I rinse the car off one more time so I can wash off any stains that have been soaking in the water. Then I grab my foam gun and start foaming up the car. This product, by the way, is a product that I got off of Amazon for $20, which I'll be linking below down in the description. Because the stock foam gun that this pressure washer came with doesn't really do much and there's no foam in it whatsoever. So you're going to need one of these if you want foam. After I foam up the car, I'll start wiping it with a microfiber towel. Depending on how dirty the car is, I would let the foam sit and then rinse off with water, and then spray foam again, and then I'll wipe. But since the car isn't all that dirty, I'll spray the foam once and then I'll wipe. Make sure you rinse off the towel so that whatever is trapped in the fibers won't scratch your paint. Also, if you drop your towel, get a new one, as the one that fell on the ground will carry rocks or other things that will scratch your car. In order to get this foam, when I pour the car wash soap into the bottle, I count to 5 while squeezing the bottle. I then fill the bottle about halfway with warm water and then I mix. And yes, this was filmed inside my bathroom. Another tip is to not wash the car in direct sunlight, as the sun will speed the drying process of the car, which could lead to watermarks. Normally I don't wash my car in direct sunlight, but since I was making a video, the whole wash process took me twice the amount of time than normal. For my exhaust tips, I spray a little bit of degreaser on it and then I use a detail brush to clean them off. I also use a detail brush on all my emblems and vents. Obviously, this isn't the same brush that was used on the wheels and exhaust. Now that the car is clean, I then grab my leaf blower so I can accelerate the drying process and avoid using multiple microfiber towels for drying. And as for drying, I have two towels, one to absorb most of the moisture and the other to act as a polisher, so I won't have any water stains. And now it's time for subscriber builds, where I show off your builds on my channel. And today's first build is... First, we have a build from Billy Weeks, and he's a fellow Boost Blue owner. He says, "Hey Chris, I'm a big fan of your channel and really excited to see you just got a Boost Blue Type R just like me. I'm excited to upgrade my car right along with you. This is my 2021 Type R. So far I've gotten TE37 Sagas, PPF'd the car, and I'm running a base map with Hondata. Super excited to get an intake and exhaust very soon." Next, we have a build from Xinghang Chang, and he says, "Hey Chris, after watching your video I did a muffler delete and more like yours. LED strip light are going to install in a week. Duckbill is on the way, as well as window visor and carbon fiber side mirror cap. Thank you for teaching all the techniques to change the look of my car. Keep it up." If you want your build to be featured on the channel, send me an email at christimefk7@gmail.com so that your build can be featured on one of my videos. Back to the video. Anyways guys, I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think of this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I do make videos twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays. And if you're in the market for LED lightings or floor mat or even car accessories, be sure to check out LASFIT's website because they do offer really great products. I myself have installed them on the Type R and on my Sport, and I have yet to find a crappy product from them. So be sure to use my code CTFK7 for that 10% off. And at the time of making this video, it is a couple days or a week before Halloween, and I actually decided to decorate my car with this little witch guy right here. I don't have a name for her yet, if you guys want to name my witch. Also, LASFIT is doing a sale on their website. And starting October 25th to the 31st, get 15% off everything by using code CTHH15. Again, that's code CTHH15.